cousin. Welcome to my channel. I am sure with you an experiment. Do you like my video? Please do press the thumbs up. And if you not like my video, please you dislike my video. And not wasting time, we start the experiment. Let's begin the experiment. Here I take 1 glass of water and mango chutney. I add 2 spoons. This khatti meethi chutney made by my mom, and I mixed. I add little black salt, and last I will add roasted jeera powder and red chili powder. And mix it well. Now my drink is ready. I taste. It is just like aam panna, but we made khatti meethi chutney. I call khatti meethi mango drink. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget press the bell icon. Bye. See you in next video. And try this recipe.
कैसा है?
Tasty.
टेस्टी